Guys, so I hope you have watched my first video of this in which I have explained this. So if you see the output of this, let's begin. Yes, here. So it is, as it is front camera. So look, I'm going left and it's showing right. I'm coming right and it's showing left. So we have to flip it. So to flip, we just have to add simple command uh, below this. Okay, choose some variable, for example flip equals to cv2 dot flip, and what you will flip, this y, flip the y and 1. Now what is 1? 1 is basically that tiltation mode. If you write 1, it will tilt other way around, and if you will write -1, it will tilt other way. Let's check it out. Now if I write cv2 dot imshow, and here is the flipped image, and flipped image is named as flip. Okay, now comment this and run. Now see, now this is the flipped image. I'm going right and it's showing right, and I'm moving left and it's moving left. Yes, it is correct. It is flipped. Now what if we want to change the color? It's BGR. It's showing BGR in OpenCV, not RGB. So now if we want to convert it into HSV plane. HSV stands for hue, saturation and value. HSV. In order to convert it into HSV plane, we will write CV2 dot CVT, means convert color, COLOR color, and then what you want to convert, either Y or flip. I want to convert flip, and then cv2 dot color, it will be in capital bgr2hsv, and simply we have to show it, cv2 dot imshow, and then simply the name of the image, I just write hsv image, and then in which variable hsv is saved, hsv. So just comment this out. We can check out all the results, but the computer lags. That's why I'm showing you one by one. This is HSV plane, hue, saturation and value. Okay, now I can show you one more trick, that is to convert it, let's say I will show you in another video the detection of the image corners, image borders. I will show you later. Anyways, thanks for watching this video. If you like it, please subscribe for more videos. Thank you.